Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to enable browser and Trust Wallet using an Android. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to enable a browser on Trust Wallet tab, open your Trust Wallet application first. Once you open up your app and you are logged into your Trust Wallet, go to the Settings button in the lower right-hand corner from the main homepage. Now, under Settings, select Preferences. You'll be able to see an option that says DApp Browser. Give it a tap and tap on the Enable button. Make sure that the button right next to Enable is toggled on. Once you do that, go back to the main wallet page of Trash Wallet. Now as you can see that there's one more icon added at the bottom of the screen from your main homepage that says Dapps. If you tap on that, you'll be able to open up the DApp browser on your Trust Wallet. The DApp browser allows you to use decentralized application like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, just swap tokens. That is how you can easily enable browser on Trust Wallet on your Android. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.